Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Shopify products to Etsy using CedCommerce, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a CedCommerce account and the necessary Shopify and Etsy store credentials. Log in to your CedCommerce dashboard. Navigate to the Shopify integration section. Connect your Shopify store by entering your store URL and authorizing the app. Once connected, you will see a list of your Shopify products. Select the products you wish to download to Etsy. To proceed, click on the Export to Etsy option. Before exporting, review the product details to ensure accuracy. You may need to adjust settings, such as pricing and inventory. After confirming the details, initiate the export process. Wait for the system to process your request. This may take a few minutes. Once completed, you'll receive a notification confirming the successful export. Check your Etsy store to verify that the products have been uploaded. If any issues arise, consult the log for error messages. Adjust the product listings in Etsy as needed for optimization. Finally, make sure to fulfill any orders directly through your Shopify store as they come in. Following these steps will help streamline your Shopify products to your Etsy store efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.